Using BPL Cardiart 108T Digi, unpacking, carefully remove the ECG unit and the accessory case from the carton box. Check for any damage to the unit. If damage is evident, please notify to BPL or the service team immediately. The standard accessories provided with the machine are power cable, cardiac jelly, earthing cable, ECG paper roll with a spindle, chest electrode, user manual, limb electrode and patient cable. Safety information. Do read the user manual completely before operating the machine and use original accessories supplied by the manufacturer. Cardiart 108T Digi is a portable ECG with a single channel printing system. At the front panel, there is an on-off button, gain switch, a filter switch, speed switch, advance to select the forward lead and a reverse option to select the backward lead, and at the end you have the start stop to print the job. At the right panel, there is a AC power socket and an equipotential ground. At the left panel, there is a patient cable socket and a reset key. Cardiart 108T Digi reproduces ECG signal on heat sensitive paper roll, loading the thermal paper. To load the paper roll, open the lid, insert the spool holder into a new roll paper and place it in the paper compartment, positioning the pins in the socket. Cardiart 108T Digi uses NIMH rechargeable internal battery. Switch on the ECG. Press on-off key until the LEDs corresponding to the default settings light up. Then wait for 10 seconds. The power-up default condition will be configured. Recording of ECG. It is advisable to operate Cardiart 108T Digi in battery mode only. Before start recording ECG, ensure that there is no lead-off condition. Press start-stop key to start recording. The unit will start printing after a delay of about 4 seconds. The calibration pulse and the real-time ECG of the lead selected. After printing the desired number of QRS complex, press advance key to select the next lead. The ECG of newly selected lead will be printed preceded with a calibration pulse. Repeat this process until 5-lead ECG cable is selected. While printing 5-lead, press advance key to pause print job after printing the desired number of QRS complex for the 5-lead one. The 5-lead will start blinking, indicating the printing is paused. This pause can be used to change the position of the chest lead for taking the ECG printing for the other 5 leads. After placing the electrode in the next 5-lead position, press advance key again to print the new 5-lead. The 5-lead LED will stop blinking and the lead of LED will start blinking for few seconds before printing. Repeat this step for all the 5-lead ECG. Press start-stop key to stop printing. The motor stops after ejecting the paper. The unit prints continuously the selected lead until start-stop is pressed to stop printing. During printing, it is possible to change the sensitivity, filter and lead by pressing the appropriate key. There is no need to press start-stop key to prior changing the setting. Switch off the ECG. To switch off the unit, press the on-off key. The LEDs corresponding to the selected settings extinguish. Auto power off. To preserve the battery charge, the Cardiart 108T Digi is provided with an auto power off function that will activate automatically after the current operation has been completed, depending on the amount of power still available in the battery. Lastly, always remember to follow the recommendations and safety protocols to guarantee the accuracy and reliability of the ECG recording. This concludes the process of unpacking and operating the BPL's legendary machine Cardiart 108T Digi. Thank you.